How to transfer ownership of a Slack workspace, leaving your role or handing over the resiness. Here's how to pass the torch in Slack. On the current workspace, primary owner can transfer the ownership. Go to settings. How you're gonna go is simply go to your profile. There you can see preferences, which is settings. There go to account setting. Over there you can see deactivate account, transfer your ownership. Simply tap on transfer your ownership, then you'll come across this page. Over there you can see you are the leader. Now simply tap on the three dot icon over there, and over there you can see the option of transfer ownership. Simply tap on it, do the required steps, then after like this you'll be transferring your ownership of your workspace.